Hey everyone, let's sign up on Orochi Network. Enter your email, continue. Next, you need to open the email from Orochi, find the activation link, and use it to complete the sign up process. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time, so you need to repeat the process or use the same activation link one more time, like I'll do now. Just pasting the activation link into the browser URL bar. Done. Now I can connect my wallet. The Orochi network is built on Monet, so you need to select the Monet chain in your wallet. Confirm. My wallet is successfully connected. Now we need to start the node, or miner if you prefer. Just click Proof. It's compiling. Now we need to wait a little bit until the node starts running. I was waiting for around 2 minutes. Now my node is active. I can stop proving. Here you can find the network statistics, like the total amount of on-coin mined, total number of miners, and amount of verified data. Your proof logs will be added here. I verified only one proof previously while I was doing a bit of testing. I'll explain more about this later. I've run my node again and about half a day has passed. I've earned 12 on. I've made 828 proofs. And I'm stuck on 11 new proofs. I did nothing, but my node stopped mining points. Take a look here. My last added log was about 6 hours ago. In this case, we need to stop the node and run it again. The canceling is also a pretty long process. If you are waiting too long, you can simply reload the page. Or you can open another page. If your Orochi node is running, you have to keep this page open. But let's go ahead and click on rewards. Here you can find detailed info about your earned rewards. You can earn ON tokens by running the node, completing daily check-ins, or using the referral system. Here you can see that the next daily check-in will start in 44 minutes, so we will get back to this later. I've earned 10.3 ON points, 4.99 points I earned from running the node, and 5.3 from inviting other users. But I can't claim my tokens because we can only claim after earning a minimum of 50 ON points. Well, we have a level system here. If you claim 50 ON, you get a 10% bonus to your proofs and reach bronze level. 150 ON claim gives you a 15% bonus, 300 ON gives 20%, and so on. The maximum is 30% bonus to your mining and the diamond level. So there is a lot of room for growth. Let's check what the chat zone is. I'm gonna write something here. Here is my message. Let's wait until someone answers me. In several minutes of waiting, I see that people are chatting here. I'm not sure this page is really needed for the project, but okay, it works. Let's check how the daily check-in works on Orochi Network. When the countdown finishes, we need to reload the page quickly. Pull the daily check-in switcher to the right. Solve the CAPTCHA. Transaction is being processed. Please wait. It takes some time, so you just need to wait. It works on a first-come, first-served basis. Every day we can earn a random amount of ON tokens from the 20,000 pool. This happens at 6 AM UTC. Oh, my MetaMask is prompting me to confirm the transaction. I've earned 1 ON. If I reload the page, I'll see 3 ON tokens in my balance. 2 ON from the previous check-in, one from the current one. Let's check the referrals page. Grow your network, grow your own. You can find all the available information about your invited friends and the amount of earned on tokens. Also, you can generate up to 10 links. It might be useful when you want to understand where your invited users come from. For example, Twitter, Wordcast, or anything else. As always, you'll find my referral link in the description. If we scroll down, we can find the explanation of the bonuses it gives us. Each person you invite will receive a one-time 5 on bonus. So if you use my referral link, you'll get a 5 on bonus, and I receive 10% on each of your completed proofs. So it's a typical referral system, beneficial for both sides. Additionally, you can check the leaderboard to understand where you are. What is interesting for me is crypto rank. Orochi Network raised $12 million. Ethereum Foundation, BNB Chain, Web3 Foundation, Mina Protocol, and other investors are on board, so it's pretty good to see. Also, join their Twitter. They are hiring, so if you feel you have a specific experience, you can apply for one of the available positions. Of course, don't forget to join the Orochi Network Discord. You can find the FAQ section there. Also, if you like creating content, memes, or anything else, you can apply for the Orochi Network Ambassador program. To do that, you need to earn a cage roll, and you are required to create 30 pieces of content. The requirement for the content are the following. The first 15 pieces of content can use Orochi's official images from Twitter. The remaining 15 must be fully created by yourself. If you are creating memes, they should not exceed 40% of your total content, which means no more than 12 memes. If this sounds interesting to you and you have any questions, just drop them in the comments down below. If you want to get an additional 10% boost, you can buy the Integrity NFT. It has a floor price of 0.0355 ETH. And very shortly, what is proof and what is the Orochi network developed for? It's designed to ensure data integrity and privacy through advanced cryptographic techniques. It has its own pipeline, which proves each step of data processing, from sampling to storage and retrieval. It helps eliminate the need for third-party trust and transforms real-world data into provable data, which can be read and verified by smart contracts. Let's wrap everything up. If you like dipping, notes, and mining, you might find Orochi interesting, like I did. It's hard to estimate the potential value of the Orochi Network airdrop. I like this project, which is why I'm running the Orochi on Prover. Plus, I like Monet and actively participate in its ecosystem projects. So I don't want to skip Orochi Network on Monet. Don't forget to subscribe if you found value in this video. Thanks for watching.